So we're going to get started. So this one is problem 58, the length of the last word. So basically it's going to give us a string kind of like this hello world. It's going to have different words separated by spaces. There could be spaces at the front and at the end. So we also have to worry about that. So basically we're trying to find, be like, whatever the length of the last word is. Like world would be 5. This one, moon, would be 4. Joy boy, that one would be 6. So basically I have it broken down to 2 steps. It's not a crazy hard problem, but basically what we're going to do is I'm going to have be like, we're going to turn our word list equals, and then we're going to take the string and we're going to do dot strip. And so what this does is this takes apart all of the leading and the ending spaces and gets rid of them. So it leaves us with just like the stuff that we need. And then we're going to basically take that into a dot split, and that's going to split it up by word into a list. So like here, I'll show you kind of like what it'll look like now. So I'll put this little print in so that way you can see what it looks like after we've done that. Step 2, we're going to return the length of the last word. So we're basically going to be like, since we have like a word list here, I'm just going to say return 0 for right now so that way you can see this, but we'll get to that. So yeah, so these are wrong. So as you can see, we have a list and it's like hello and like world. So we're trying to find the length of the last one right here. So basically we're going to be like return word the length, because that's what we want to know. We want to learn how long the last word is. So we're going to take the length of the last one. So if we do the -1 index of word list, we're going to find out the length of the last one. So yeah, get rid of this. And let's run it. And boom, we got it. Submit it. All right. I don't know why it was so slow. Usually it's like it's pretty fast, but yeah. But that's how to answer the problem in just 2 lines. Let me know if you have any questions, because I'd love to help out.